Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to restrict editing in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To restrict document editing, the first thing we need is the Developer tab. Click File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Next, on the right side of the main tabs list, we select the Developer checkbox and click OK. The Developers tab appeared on the ribbon, select it, and here we are interested in the Restrict Editing button. Click on it. On the right side, a menu opened in which we select the checkbox Allow only this type of editing in the document, namely Read Only. And we apply this restriction to all users. Great, click Yes, start enforcing protection. You can enter the password, but we will leave everything as it is and click OK. Now, so that we don't click, the original text will remain unchanged and most of the buttons on the ribbon are inactive. And in order to set the sections of the text that can be changed, we click Stop Protection, then hold down the Ctrl key and select the required text with the leftmost button. When everything is highlighted, click Restrict for all again and turn on the protection. Great, now the text that can be edited is highlighted in yellow, but the rest of the non-editable text is not. That's all, now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.